Want to win at Keno? In this video, 3 free sets of AI Keno numbers and learn how to use our Keno numbers with these 3 strategies. Yes, watch this video to the end for the best Keno numbers. Okay, let's get started with video number 1, already in progress. Okay, card D has the 4-spot winning numbers. Yes, you are welcome to pause this video to copy all Keno numbers. Remember, when playing Keno, change to any 4-spot every now and again to change the Keno machine algorithm. All right, now let's go on to an unusual but winning 8-spot. Okay, all casinos track the most common Keno numbers drawn. AI does this also and is available for the asking. Subscribe to stay up with the most current winning Keno numbers. Let's take a look at this 8-spot, often referred to as a G6 airplane. Let's take a look. Okay, card C has the 8-spot winning Keno numbers. Be sure and write these Keno numbers down. Yes, tracking Keno numbers has been done for years. Start your file or notes like we do on our cell phones. Okay, next up is a seldom used 9-spot, but one Keno number change destroys a Keno machine algorithm. Let's take a look. All right, strategy 3, change the Keno numbers to a 9-spot. Our goal is to throw your Keno machine algorithm off and win a jackpot. Subscribe for more AI Keno strategies and be a winner at Keno. Let's take a look at this lucky 9-spot. Yes, this time it's card D. This 9-spot is a winner. Also, when you win a jackpot, be sure and leave a comment below and congratulations. Okay, using AI Keno numbers and changing them often is a winning strategy. Subscribe and be a winner at Keno. Beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.